On behalf of Smart Wonder School, it is my privilege to extend my heartfelt greetings to our respected principal, Ms. Poonamjeet Kaur, Vice Principal, Ms. Raina Chona, Enrichment Head, Ms. Sudeshna Sharma, esteemed parents, dedicated teachers, and dear students. This orientation marks the beginning of an important academic journey for our class 10 students. It is a year that demands focus, hard work, and teamwork between students, parents, and educators. Today, we gather to discuss the expectations, guidelines, and support systems in place to ensure a successful and enriching year ahead. To begin this session, on an auspicious note, we will now proceed with the lamp lighting ceremony, which symbolizes wisdom, knowledge, and enlightenment. I request our principal, vice principal, esteemed parents, teachers to come forward for the ceremony.
लैंप लाइटिंग जल्दी जल्दी आ गई। नहीं कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे, रविंदर है वो पीछे है।
मर्जी से है मालिक, हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं। तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म जान पाए हैं। तू अपनी नजर हम पर रखना, किस हाल में है ये खबर रखना। तेरी है ज़मीन, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शिश कर।
this academic year brings growth, success and meaningful learning experiences for all our students. To guide us through today's orientation, I now invite our Vice Principal, Ms. Raina Chona, to take us through the presentation. Ma'am, the stage is yours.
Dear parents, children, principal ma'am, all the teachers, please, I think we can all sit now. Yes, when parents will come, we will take attendance later. Children, if you don't mind, if you're sitting at the back, just come in front because this presentation is meant for children also, not only for parents. Yeah, they can come, I think they can come and sit here. Okay, so before I start the presentation, one question from the audience. Okay, for a success mantra, for a child, for a student, what is important? First, hard work of the student. Second, dedication of the teacher, or shall I write or? Shall I say or? Hard work of the student or dedication of the teacher, curriculum, infrastructure of the school, or support of the parent. What is the most important? Yes, students, shall I ask you first? Hard work of the student, infrastructure and curriculum of the school, dedication of the teacher and support of the parent. इनमें से सबसे important क्या है? Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, all are important.
All are important. Okay. What do you think?
I believe hard work of a student is very important.
Hard work of a student is the most important.
Yes. Because
Okay.
even if you provide it with all the resources and all the support,
Yeah.
still hard work matters.
Hard work matters. Good. Yes. Parents?
Absolutely, we agree with her.
With her, hard work of the student is the most important. So, other elements are not important? All are important. I think they would like to go with the other answer also. This side, any other answer? Or you also agree? You agree? Which one is more important? All are important. Very good. Big round of applause for all the audience. Like, this is really very important to understand that like success of a child in a family, in a school will come if all the elements are in place. I hope that all of you agree. So, but today I'm sorry to say, empty chairs are showing something else. Like parents are not here in full strength. This is the dedication, this is the support of the parent that is required here. I'm sorry to say that I have to start like this, but we are feeling little this thing that we had sent a message and parents should come. This is an important class for the child, class 10. This is a career building class. This is what we believe in as a school. So everybody, I think children, you had a discussion with your parents. Your parents are going to come. Are they on the way? Okay, no. Anyways, so we are just starting with our presentation. One more question before we start. Which subject is going to be the most beneficial for this grade, or I should say this batch? Because ultimately they will settle down in life after 10 years, or maybe so, or maybe 5 years from now. Which subject is going to be the most important for them? Students, shall I ask you first? क्या subject है जो आपको success देगा? This is my question. Maths. Any other answer? Yes? Science. Okay. Parents, which subject will bring success?
All the
All the subjects? Okay, good. From this side? Yes, from this side. Yes?
Depends on what the person has to take up in the future.
Do you know the future?
No, depends.
Anybody here knows the future?
No, depends what I aspire to be in the future.
You aspire to be, but क्या future हमें पता है? नहीं. 2 years back, coding was in thing. I think you will all agree. Coding हो रहा था. हमने भी coding introduce किया in school. Now everybody is talking about AI. And do we know after 5 years which subject is going to bring success? No. Then what we should do today? Whatever is in our hands, let us focus on that. Do not worry about your future. Your subjects, each subject, this is what parents are saying. I'm glad that parents are aware here. Big round of applause for our parents. They know each and every subject is important. This is what I'm telling you. Your life skills are important. When we say that you need to learn how to, I think nowadays I'm emphasizing a lot on eye contact, that whenever you are passing by some adult, please make an eye contact and wish. So this is, all these things are very important. So life skills, how you have to interact with, how you have to make friends, how you have to get along with everybody, whether you like or do not like. These are small things which are important. So we will be focusing on each and everything, and you continue doing that because we do not know what is in store for us after 5 or 10 years. So with this note, I start my presentation. So